You see this blueberry vanilla cake right here? Forget it. It is so sumptuous. Even me, I'm amazed at the works of my hands. So in a bowl, you want to go in with butter, sugar, and then you go ahead to mix this. You can use a spatula as well. You want to just mix this, for about 15 minutes. To be honest, this is the less interesting part of this whole baking process for me. So you just want to do this for about 15 minutes. Don't stress it, okay? Then you go in with 2 eggs, your baking powder, your baking soda, your vanilla flavor, and then you go in with the flour. Basically, your dry ingredients next. Then you want to go ahead to just mix this up with your spatula. Put in your milk as well, and then mix up gently, softly, not too hard. Okay, so you just want to mix this up gently. If you feel like your batter is too thick, you can add in a little more milk. It doesn't hurt. Okay, I like stress-free things, so you can just try this out. Okay, because this tasted so good. Even me, I was amazed, to be honest. Typically I use 4 eggs, but this time around I just decided to try 2 eggs because I'm not really an egg fan, and it came out good. So this is the mixed batter. You can see the consistency. So this is what you will be going for. After doing this, you want to go in with your blueberries because, like we said, this is a blueberry cake, right? And then you just want to put the blueberries you desire, and then you mix this gently, like the lift and fold method, like you see me do. Then oil your baking pan. I put a parchment paper here to line it up. You can do it directly if you want. Just make sure that it's well greased with cooking oil or butter. And then you want to pour your butter into this. After pouring the butter, you just want to heat it a bit just so that it can balance well and every air is being cleared out, okay? Then you want to top this up with some blueberries, more blueberries. Let's get it in there. Let it shine blue, blue, blue. Okay, so after putting these toppings, you want to toss it in your oven to bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes or until the toothpick check, tells you that it is clear for bringing out of the oven. So this is it, just rising in the oven. Isn't this so cute? Oh my God. So this is the end result. God, see how shiny that looks. Yummy. Oh my God. This is so amazing. Like, my baking game is, becoming really strong, and I'm glad about it. So you want to let this cool down before you dive in to enjoy. And let's just see that inside. Oh my God, the big reveal. Whew. Just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Oh, yummy. Yummy. I'm loving this. This is so therapeutic, honestly. So you just want to go ahead to enjoy this with any drink of your choice. See how moist this is. Just look at how moist it is. Literally melts in the mouth. Literally. You don't have to go so far to enjoy a very wonderful cake. You really don't have to go so far. You can mix this up. Anything you want to do with your cake, just explore. It is your kitchen. Okay? This is so easy to prep. Okay? Would you be trying this out? Please let me know. Okay? So yummy. So yummy. Just look at that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.